Welcome all to the Color Crush Show. Come meet my friends. You'll be glad to know. Monster trucks like to learn, jump, and shout. Yeah! They'll show you colors as they drive about.
Yeah!
So look around, friends, and you'll quickly see, yeah! Colors are everywhere. I think you'll agree. Blue is the color of our great big sky. Yippee! Purple balloons for a party nearby.
Yeah!
Green is the grass.
Yippee!
Yellow is the moon. Tomatoes are red. Pink flowers in June. Look at the orange and brown carousel. White snow falls and covers the hills.
Yeah!
Black is the night. It gets hard to see. Perfect for rest and getting some sleep. The trucks want to take a colorful spin. Their engines have started. It's time to begin. They'll crush each color, one by one. Practice makes perfect,
Yeah!
So come join the fun. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down.
Yeah!
The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes.
Yes!
The orange truck flips right onto his nose.
Oops!
Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud.
Yeah!
Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow.
Ta-da!
The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
The trucks love colors and performing for you.
Great job!
So they'll do it again, all the way through. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down. The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes. The orange truck flips right onto his nose. Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud. Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow. The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
Practice makes perfect, as you will soon see. Yeah, let's watch them perform at great record speed. Blue pounds the letters, squishing each one. Purple is next and won't stop till he's done. The green truck always knows just what to do. The yellow one smashes them 2 by 2. Red truck has got her squashing just right. The orange truck pounces with all of his might. Pink mastered crushing. She's having a blast. Brown goes backwards when she goes past. White takes his turn, and there's one more to go. Black hits each letter and knocks them down low. So, let's review the colors, beginning with blue. Purple, green, yellow, red, and orange too. Now, don't forget pink, brown, white, and black. I think you have got it. It's time to relax. The monster trucks have finished their colorful show. You have learned 10 colors. Yes,
Yeah!
10 in a row. Practice makes perfect, as you already know. Never give up, and you'll be the star of the show.